Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? Try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. You guys, I can't believe it's November 1st. You guys have seen this vlog on November 1st, although today is Thursday the 29th. I don't know, something like that. But I can't believe it's holiday season. Like, November to me is literally holiday season. That's what I think when I think November. Daylight savings is today. Like, girl, things are getting serious around these parts. Winter is coming. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Also, a big part of my winter is usually trying to get my summer body right. So this is something that I need to start ASAP. I have just been really off the chain when it comes to my weight. I feel like I've been really off the chain this year. Like, it's gotten out of control. And I wanted to do a sit down video tomorrow. I think I'm gonna film like a get ready with me life update and talk more about my weight and PCOS in that video, and not get too deep in this video, because it's getting deep once is enough for me, you know. I'm not really into the zodiac stuff, whatever, but I'm an Aquarius and we don't get deep, girls. So once is enough for the month, okay? So into tomorrow's video, I'm gonna explain how I've been feeling. And I do know some of you guys go through this as well, and I know some of you guys have PCOS, so I think it will be a great video, not a great video, but a good video to talk to you guys and just chill with y'all and get ready. So with that being said, I need to get ready for snatch it up season. Okay, this is what winter is all about, snatching it up for the summer. So yeah, I weighed myself the other day and I was the heaviest I've ever been since being pregnant. I'm gonna be eating a lot healthier and showing you guys, I guess, what I'm eating, whatever, if you guys want to go on the journey with me. So I'm gonna go weigh myself so you guys can see how embarrassing. Girl, I am so embarrassed. I don't even want to show y'all, but I feel like I need accountability. I feel like I need y'all to see where this is, what this has gone. I'm just putting some lotion on, girl, because I am not finna embarrass myself this much on the internet. Obviously, I just stepped on here. That's why you can see my footprints. But I'm gonna step back on the scale. Girl, always telling me to step in more. I think it's detecting the camera, so I'm gonna put the camera. So this is my weight, ma'am. So that's the starting point, and we have some work to do. If you guys want to join me on this journey, I don't know how to like make this super inclusive, but just comment down below on my vlogs. Let me know that you want to join, and kind of just we'll update each other on our progress every week, every Sunday, I guess. Whenever I upload my vlogs, you guys can comment your progress or whatever, and what's working for you, what's not working for you. I'm not following any particular diet. I'm just trying to eat cleaner and staying far away from added sugars and flour. So those are my biggest issues when it comes to diet, flour and sugar. So I'm gonna definitely stay away from those. I don't eat too much dairy, so I guess I should mention that as well. Like, I don't eat a lot of dairy in general, so dairy naturally is not part of my diet. I do eat cheese here and there. So it is 12:57. Yes, that's Beyonce as my screensaver. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm playing this prank on Johnny. He has no idea, but it's so funny. You guys may know of Natalie. She's a YouTuber, Instagrammer. So she posted this little prank thing on her boyfriend, and she like said to try it on your boyfriend or your husband or whatever. So I tried it on Johnny. It is so hilarious. So let me show you guys. So it says, I'm working on a holiday campaign with this brand and they want us to wear matching sets. What size should I get for you in this, L or XL? And he goes, he gave me a size though. I think it's hilarious. I'm dying. I am dying. I can't believe he gave me a size. Like, I'm actually shocked. I don't know what to say to him. I'm gonna just let it sit and marinate. I don't know if I told you guys, but I just got done filming 2 videos, which took me so long to film. I just was not feeling, something was off. Like, I'm trying this new foundation and I don't think I'm feeling it. So like, I feel like my makeup is not, I'm not feeling my makeup. Although it may look good, I just feel like self-conscious about it because I feel like the foundation is gonna make me super shiny, and I hate that. I'm wearing my new headband wig, by the way, from Beauty Forever hair, and girl, I am literally obsessed with the thing. It's a really quick style for on the go, so I definitely recommend. I really want to go to the supermarket, but it is raining like crazy outside. Like, I don't want to go outside in this weather. So I'm on the couch. Yes, those are clothes surrounding me because they're doing my closet this week. I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm getting my closet redone, and it's happening this Wednesday coming up. So I had to clear the closet out. I have to paint it tomorrow, and then, you know, prep it for the installation. But anyways, that's a different story. I was gonna order groceries, but I just realized there are no slots available until tomorrow, and I need the stuff today. So unfortunately, I think I have to go out. I just got a package. I'll show you guys what I got. So this is the card. It says Happy Holidays, and it's probably a holiday package. Just says, in the spirit of the holiday season, we've donated 50 meals in your name to families in need. Oh, this is amazing. This is what they sent. This is so cool. It's the Pharmacy House of Gold Hydrating Honey Bestsellers. So they sent the Honeymoon Glow, which is an AHA resurfacing serum with honey, which is a really amazing product. It's really good. They also sent Honey Potion, which is a mask, and Honey Halo, which is a moisturizer. I just threw on a sweater because it's a little chilly today. This is the little fit. I just have my crossbody bag, and then I'm wearing these black pants. I have a top under here. It's cold. I don't even care what I look like right now. Honestly, I don't care what I look like. Also, I am on the hunt for a little crossbody bag, and I'm not sure which one I want to get, so maybe you guys can help me. I was debating between the Gucci Disco bag and then the YSL camera bag, but I'm not really sure which one I want to go with. I'm gonna probably go with whatever you guys tell me to go with, unless it's not available when I go to the store to pick it up. I know the YSL one is really popular right now for some reason, and it's like on back order online, so hopefully I can find it in the store if that's the one y'all select. Hopefully that's the one y'all select, because that's the one I kind of want. They're both similar to this purse, but I wanted a black color crossbody like this. Comment below, let me know what y'all think. Y'all, it's literally raining for real. Like, this is not a joke. I literally just ran to the car, but I need an umbrella. Like, it's really OD rain. It's raining so much. It's raining crazy. I need an umbrella. I just ran to the car, but I actually need an umbrella, so I probably need to go back in the house and get me an umbrella. I didn't show y'all, but I just sprayed some gentle fluidity on. Girl. Alright, let me see. Is there an umbrella in the trunk of this car though? Okay, so there was no umbrella in the trunk, so I just went inside to get one, and this one has a few holes in it, but hopefully it's fine. I also switched the jacket I was wearing because it already got like soaked, so I switched to this jacket. You guys, look how pretty all these colors are. I just got home, by the way. I just wanted to show you guys the pretty fall colors. My makeup is a mess, so I'm gonna sit all the way far back so y'all can't see it. Anyways, let me go inside because this rain is not it. This is everything that I got. I got some sliced apples. This is actually for my son. I got some spinach for smoothies. I got Brussels sprouts, asparagus, coconut water. I got some lemons. I got a bottle of honey. Regular green apples for smoothie, and then I got some salmon right here. So I'm about to start preparing the asparagus. I have my iPad set up right here, and I'm gonna use this recipe right here. These are some of the ingredients for both the salmon and the asparagus. And then I added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and the last thing is minced garlic, so we're gonna do that. The salmon is cooking. The asparagus is in here. This is my food. I'm gonna have it right now. It's 6:13, y'all. I just sat there for 13 minutes trying to debate if I should leave the house or not. So I'm just gonna go to the supermarket, get some flowers, get strawberries, blueberries, and I think that's all I need. I went earlier and I wish I would have gotten everything that I needed, but I didn't because that's what Jasmine does. So these are the flowers that I got. I got carnations. I just got this beautiful ivory color. I got this color. It's like beige, you guys. I thought it was so nice. And then I got a nice green shade. And then I got these roses. I thought maybe I can use them for something else. And then I got some blueberries and strawberries. So these are the flowers right here. I'm gonna shoot my campaign over here tomorrow, I think. So I'm gonna make a acai bowl, and I have some frozen tropical fruit, which I forgot I had, so I'm really happy that I found that in my fridge. I have some strawberries, and I have wild blueberries, which are really like stuck to each other, so I don't know how much of that I can use. Then a banana. So this is for the base of the smoothie along with oat milk. And then for the top of it, I'm gonna use strawberries, these fresh blueberries right here. And then I think I'm gonna do like some other stuff. So I'll show you guys the toppings once I get to that step. I'm gonna use my Vitamix, and this is I don't know what model this is, but I'll leave it down below. The liquid, I'm only gonna use half a cup of oat milk. When you're making an acai bowl, you don't want to make the liquid too liquidy because then it will be more of a smoothie. So I'm using half a cup. That might even be too much, but we'll see. Hopefully it's not too much. And then I'm going to use this banana. The banana adds creaminess, and then it also gives it a nice sweet flavor. Then we're going to do the tropical blend. So this is going to be like a tropical smoothie, I guess. This one has mango, kiwi, and strawberries. These are wild blueberries from Trader Joe's. So that's it for the base. You can add in other things if you want to, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Whoa. Okay, the blender is done, so I have my bowl here, and I think it may have even been a little bit too liquidy, but let's see. Not bad. It's not bad. It could have been a little thicker, but it's really not that bad. I'm gonna wash the blueberries and then put them. I found this grain-free granola in my cabinet, so I'm gonna use it. So I use 1/4 cup of the granola, and this is what it looks like. It looks so yummy, y'all. I cannot wait to eat this. It looks so good. Today's Friday. It's the new day. I just got done filming a video, and I figured I would vlog today. I'm gonna put my camera down here. I don't think I really ended the vlog yesterday. I think I just ate my acai bowl and then I went to bed a few hours later, so I didn't really do much. It's like 11:30 right now and I'm a little bit hungry. All right, just made myself a green smoothie. Yeah, the one you're into. You guys, what the heck? This is like a shower Bluetooth speaker thing. This is so cool. Do we need this? It's only $200. Do we need this? Wait. Ooh. Ideas? I know. Yeah. Just got home and I don't know what time it is. Let me just check the time. I literally have no clue. I'm about to have this salad that I got from Costco. I'm about to try this coconut water that I showed you guys last time. You're watching Gossip Girl. So it's a little bit later and I just got in the car. I'm about to go to Sephora. I'm heading to Sephora to go shop a little bit of the Sephora sale. I just made myself a smoothie. Girl, I wish you could taste this though. Hey, so we just got to the mall. I have my hair in a bun. I'm wearing my Uggs because got some goodies. Alright, so I'm walking to the car now. I love that there's like no one at this mall. It's literally so empty. Ooh, the sky looks so pretty. We're at Walmart and I don't think I'm going to take you guys in because Walmart's parking lot looks kind of full, but we made it. Okay, so we're gonna go to Walmart. That was a total fail, guys. The lines were crazy and I had a few things in my hand, but once I saw the lines, I was like, nah, that's chill. I was like, nah, I'm good. Are you guys ready? So I'm gonna do a little CVS haul because I did stop at CVS a little while ago. So I got lashes. I got these from Kiss. These are the style Surreal. They looked really nice and they looked like natural-ish. You can see from the side it has a really nice curl, so that's what I usually look for. And then it says it has the thinnest bond ever. It says it has the thinnest band, so thin bands usually stay on really well and they apply really well. Then I got these and I've been seeing these around. I heard they're pretty good, so I wanted to try them. These are lash glue liners, so basically you apply it like you would an eyeliner, and supposedly there's no wait time. You just apply the lash right away. So I didn't actually read the back to see if that's true, but that's what I heard. Yeah, it says to apply it immediately before the eyeliner dries. In my opinion, most of the struggle with lashes is the glue drying. So that would eliminate the biggest struggle that, you know, most people have. Next I got these. These are from Eylure and they are the Luxe XL Faux Mink, and this is what they look like. They also had a really nice curl, so that's why I got these. The last pair are from Kiss and they are the Max Out in Chic, and this is what they look like. So really nice and fluffy looking, so I'm excited for these. And then I also picked up a pen. I love this pen, you guys. They're really good. And then I got a notebook.